Hi everybody. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Suresh. I have a rich experience in terms of English and communication skills trainer. So in this pandemic condition, I came up with a new topic, a very easy topic and very famous topic to us, very familiar to us. But I will give you a very few important guidelines and tips to you for handling articles topic. So this is a very useful for students as well as the people who are preparing for competitive examinations also. Okay, firstly, I am very happy to meet you again in this situation, but on the other hand, I felt very sorry and very sad about it because now the situation is not in a good mood because it is a very troublesome for us. సో ఇలా మీట్ అవ్వటం ఒక రకంగా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నా కూడా మళ్ళీ ఇలాంటి పాండమిక్ కండిషన్ లో మళ్ళీ మనం లాక్డౌన్ ఫేస్ చేస్తూ ఇలా క్లాసెస్ కి మనం మీట్ అవ్వడం అనేది ఒక రకంగా నేను చాలా అన్హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను బట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ we will jump to the today's topic. So this is not a new topic to you, but I will give you some additional and important easy tips to you how to handle articles topic in English grammar because everybody felt that articles is very easy, but if you have a sufficient sophisticated knowledge regarding the articles, so that will become very easy. Otherwise, sometimes most of the students get confused about uses of a and the articles in different situations. So this class I will try to clarify all those doubts in a very systematic and easy manner, right? So I will jump to the topic. So I wish you welcome you all and very glad to welcome you for today's topic. This is my channel Way to English Education by Suresh. I request you all please do subscribe my channel for getting more videos. Okay. So as you know, today my topic is articles. It is a quite interesting and very easy for us. So, but we should have some important rules. First of all, articles means articles are the special category kind of adjectives because they are usually precede and qualify a noun. Usually article precede a noun అంటే noun కి ముందు యూస్ చేయబడడం లేదా దాన్ని noun క్వాలిఫై చేయడం అనేది ఆర్టికల్ యొక్క మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రూల్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఆర్టికల్స్ ఆర్ ది స్పెషల్ కేటగిరీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ అవి కూడా అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ లో ఒక రకమైనటువంటి భాగాలు. So an article is also known as demonstrative adjective. If somebody asks you what do you mean by article, you can define that article is nothing but a demonstrative adjective. That is a type of adjective. Okay, here you know simply article means a and the. And most of the cases లో article అనగానే a and the అని చెప్తారు. But here I will clarify the clear picture and difference among a and the and definite and indefinite article. You know that uh, I have made some examples over the screen. Look at the first example. I have a pen in my bag. I want to buy an umbrella now. And coming to the book is on the table. Here, why don't you use a book is on the table? I have the pen in my bag. I want to buy the umbrella now. Why don't we alter all these articles in a different places? Because here we have some specific and important rules. Let me see what are the rules regarding the articles. See, I gave the title in my perception that is called a is highlighted and t is also highlighted in the title of article. Okay, so a defines like you know a an indefinite article, that defines definite article, right? A an indefinite means usually which talks about general things, indefinite things, not specific, not clear. I mentioned that there is a statement there and not everyone knows what you are talking about. And coming to the specific things which talks and which describes about the specific things, everyone knows what you are talking about. Okay, that is the main discrimination between a an and the a an are indefinite articles, the is the definite article which talks specific and very clear things. ఏవైతే డెఫినెట్ గా స్పెసిఫిక్ గా చెప్పే ఉంటాయో వాటిని దా అనే ఆర్టికల్ తో మనం సూచిస్తాం. ఇండెఫినెట్ థింగ్స్ జనరల్ గా చెప్పబడే వాటిని మనం ఏ అంతో డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం. ఏ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ బిఫోర్ ద కాన్సనెంట్ సౌండ్స్, యాన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ బిఫోర్ ది వవల్ సౌండ్స్. So that generally it is used before the definite and specific thing. That is a common picture you should understand regarding the difference between A and B. Okay, coming to the examples. Look at the first one. I have a pen in my pocket means why I used a pen because I don't know about the pen and the people are the audience are not conscious about the pen is what the pen is. That means they don't know about the pen. So it's not a specific పెన్, మనం ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ పెన్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడట్లేదు కాబట్టి అది ఇండెఫినెట్ కాబట్టి ఏ పెన్ అనేది అక్కడ యూస్ చేసాం. ఓకే, we don't know what the pen is because we don't know anything about the pen, whether it is related to Reynolds, it is related to Montex, it is related to any other pens. I don't know the exact idea. So that indefinite కాబట్టి ఏ పెన్ అనేది ఇక్కడ యూస్ చేసాం. Coming to the second example, the pen is over there. Again, I used a different article the before the pen. Why? Because second time I am talking about the same pen. That means it is a definite and specific pen. Already మనం ఫస్ట్ మాట్లాడిన పెన్ గురించి మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి we are talking about the same pen so that it is definite to everybody, which is specific to everybody, so that the pen is over the table. ఆ పెన్ అక్కడ ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నాం ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన విషయాన్ని మళ్ళీ మనం చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి. And coming to the one more example here, I gave a small conversation between two friends, Rahul and Ravi. Rahul, I am going to a party tonight. Why a party? Because not everyone knows. Okay, other people don't know about the party, what party is. ఒక రాహుల్ కి తప్ప మిగతా వాళ్ళ ఎవరికి ఆ పార్టీ గురించి తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఏ పార్టీ టు నైట్, లైక్ దట్ హీ యూజ్డ్ ఏ పార్టీ ఇండెఫినిట్. కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ సెంటెన్స్, రవి సెడ్ దట్ are you all coming to the party? Because in the perception of Ravi, everybody knows about the party. సో రవికి ఉద్దేశంలో ఏంటంటే అందరికీ ఆ పార్టీ గురించి తెలుసు కాబట్టి ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ కమింగ్ టు ద పార్టీ, దట్ పార్టీ మీన్స్ ఎవ్రీబడి నోస్ బికాస్ everyone knows about the party. Okay, next, coming to the examples here. So here I please read the examples and give a pause to your video. వీడియోకి మీరు పాజ్ ఇవ్వండి, అవసరమైతే బ్రేక్ చేసి మీరు ఆలోచించి ఆన్సర్స్ ఏంటో నాకు కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో మీరు చెప్పండి. దెన్ we will notify that. First example, I saw a small boy in the park. Whether it is definite or indefinite, as per the given previous instructions, you can identify and check it whether it is A, an or B. This is dash book. Check it. He is dash doctor. I met him yesterday. Is it a specific or unspecific? You can note it down. Okay, write either A or the, as depending on your understanding. Okay, so give a pause and write your answers in the comment box, comment section. Okay, next example. This is dash book which I want to read. Is it specific or not specific? Think about it. Next, I saw dash moon last night. Only one moon. Whether it is specific or unspecific, think about it and write appropriate article there. I want to buy dash umbrella. I want to buy umbrella means specific umbrella or unspecific umbrella. You can make it right. Next, it is raining now. Where is dash umbrella? Is it specific or unspecific? You can make it right with an appropriate articles. Okay, so give a pause, just think about the examples and write your answers, then later on go for the answers. Okay, answers. I saw a small boy in the park because unspecific boy. Okay, we are not specifically talking about the boy. This is dash book, any book or a single book, unspecific. He is the doctor. I met him yesterday because already I met him yesterday. So specific. This is the book which I want to read. Same, specific. I saw the moon last night. Only one moon in the universe. So that the moon. I want to buy an umbrella. I want to buy an umbrella. Unspecific. It is raining now. Where is the umbrella? I am repeatedly talking about the second time about the umbrella. So that the umbrella means specific umbrella. Okay. So here we have some other important rules. As you know, A and are the weakened form of the one. A is used before the consonant sounds like B, C, D, F, Z. John is a good boy. And an usually used before the vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, U. We use an is an article used before the vowel sounds letters. A is an article used before the consonant sounds like B, C, D, B, C, D, F up to Z. Only we have 5 vowel sounds, remaining 21 are consonant sounds. John married an Australian lady. An Australian lady. This is a vowel sound, so one lady. I mean, in terms of the particular example, one lady, single lady means unspecific. On the another way, Australian lady is a vowel sound, so that an Australian lady. Next, definite article. The is used before a noun or thing which is definitely identified or specified things like dash man who is standing there is my uncle. I specifically gave some instructions in this example. For example, the person is standing at a particular gate, standing at a door or something else. The person is nothing but my uncle. So I gave some specifications so that the man. This is dash college where I studied my engineering. The college. Dash man is a social animal. The man. So that when it is a specific, clear, on to the point, very identified a person or thing, we use definite article the. In remaining cases, a or an. Consonant sounds a, vowel sounds and. That is the basic picture about recapitulation regarding what is definite article and indefinite article. This is the overall view, about the given slides. Previously, what we discussed in the slides. Okay, I'm moving on to the small exercise for you. I gave a small, cute, beautiful story about A and the dash man and dash woman were walking in Andhra street. Dash man saw dash dress that she liked in dash shop. She asked dash man if he could buy dash dress for her. He said, "Do you think dash shop will accept dash check? I don't have dash credit card." Okay, so please give a pause to your video. Think about the given cute story, a simple story, short story, and depending on your comprehension and your ability, use with an appropriate articles A and the. Once again, I am repeating the story. Dash man and dash woman were walking in Andhra street. Dash woman saw dash dress that she liked in dash shop. She asked dash man if she could buy dash dress for her. He said, "Do you think dash shop will accept dash check? I don't have dash credit card." So please think about this story once and twice, and then give a pause and write your answers there. And give please make your suggest me your answers through comments. Right. So this is about uh, basic introduction about the articles. So in the next video, I will give you the complete rules and guidelines and omission of articles for A and B. ఏ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి, క్యాన్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి, దా ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి, అసలు ఆర్టికల్స్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయకూడదు అనే దాన్ని we will discuss into the next video. Okay, this is about the key. So please have a look on this answers, this key, right? A man, a woman were walking on the street. The man saw a dress that she liked in a shop, and she liked she సో ఇది ఓవరాల్ గా మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం మాట్లాడినప్పుడు when we are talking about the first time indefinite articles, అదే సెకండ్ టైం మళ్ళీ అదే విషయం గురించి మనం రిపీట్ చేస్తే we use definite article the. Like that you can think about the answers. Okay, next so I wish very happy and glad to you to meet once again through my videos. I request you all, please do subscribe and share these videos to your friends. It will give me a boost for me. Thanks to one and all for having a great session on this day. Thanks to one and all. Be safe, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.